put the son/Jamie. It's Jamie is your son's name, right? Is that his name?
No.
It's not.
We want to test you now on how well you know each other as cellmates
Yeah.
in a game of Bestie Test.
Right.
Bestie Test.
Okay.
Yeah.
David, what would Tom say was the hardest thing about taking on this role?
Working with David.
Yeah. Working with this guy.
Don't peek.
3, 2, 1.
Physicality. That's probably the serious answer. I went with eating tuna with my bare hands.
That actually made me feel a bit sick.
It was gross.
It was
wasn't
horrible.
Yeah, it was proper nasty. Yeah, that's physicality is probably actually
yeah.
what I would say. to
Not.
be fair,
Oh
but
yeah, I thought that's what you would.
Well, this is
say,
a part
but
of the
you didn't.
physicality.
Oh, no, come on, mate.
if you think about it,
I'll be taking this seriously.
yamming down that tuna. Okay, we're taking this
I
seriously.
thought we
Okay.
what?
Serious best. All right. I thought it was all shits
No,
and
it
giggles.
was, but it was. It's a reason why I wrote that, and it's fair we should talk about it. It's that we had no time. We made this film in 18 days, and before that, we kind of got greenlit, luckily, by the wonderful guys at Lionsgate. But literally like 2 weeks before, but I'd already started losing weight. I lost 30 pounds for it, and Tom had to gain weight. So we literally were just
quickly as
like,
possible.
so it was a worry. I think physicality was a worry for both of us.
Yeah. And I think it's like you're walking in the footsteps of like Bronson and films like that where you've seen massive physical transformations, and I think we had to figure out our own way to do it in this, and it was like, we don't have the time or the budget to do like big Hollywood transformations.
Yeah.
So it was like, how do you do this realistically? And it literally is like eating cans of tuna and salty beef and just doing push-ups as you would in the prison cell. And actually I think it gave it like a authentic feel.
I was
They
going to
feel
say,
like real people.
absolutely, it translates so well. Like when you're watching it, it feels like, especially what they do with the edits and the home footage,
so
it
good.
really transports you to that place.
Thank
so
you, mate.
again,
So
congratulations.
Thank you.
Which scene was David most proud of from the whole film?
We're not doing. Are we doing spoilers?
Oh,
No, we're
no,
trying not to do spoilers.
don't want to do spoilers.
All right, cool.
Maybe.
All right.
I can do one, one that's not. Most proud of.
Write it down, mate.
Oh mate, there's so many. You're so good in it. It's like I can't pick one. Can't pick one.
Write it down.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Put the son/Jamie. It's Jamie is your son's name, right? Is that his name?
No.
It's not.
Can't remember my son's name.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. It's
D
Adam.
didn't.
It's Adam.
Adam. Oh
It's
my
Adam,
god.
it's Adam.
Oh, it's because we're talking about Jamie XX. That's
Oh,
why I
Adam.
put Jamie on the brain.
Yeah,
Your son, Jamie.
we're
XX.
just thinking about the party.
I put your son. That is in any scene with your son.
that
That's
is-
so beautiful to
Thank
me,
you,
and
mate.
takes and like for me that's the memorable stuff when you're like on the phone to him. It's heartbreaking. So I'm proud of you for those scenes. Anyway.
Thank you, mate.
You and Jamie XX on the phone.
Yeah, it's like me and Jamie.
Adam.
I wrote vomit.
Yeah, I was eating soup as I was watching that scene.
Oh,
And
So was I. So I was doing it.
love that.
Is that the scene you're most proud of?
No, I just thought it's a good.
Oh no, I'm being serious and you're
Yeah, I
being
know.
silly.
We thought we'd talk. Yeah.
There we go. But yeah, honestly, any scene that he's on the phone with Adam is heartbreaking.
Thanks, mate.
I'm proud of you.
This is the Bestie Test.
yes, it is a Bestie Test.
Yeah, we're
Flying
getting every
through
question
it.
wrong, but hopefully the
But
bestie vibes come across.
It's still coming across.
Yeah.
Right, so you were just talking about music. I'd love for you to tell me if there was any artist or music that Tom was listening to get into the character.
Can I name two? Or just
Yeah,
one?
can I put
Yeah,
a little
you can
list?
put as many as you want.
All right.
All right.
All right.
All right.
All right. All right. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, old school grime, just like Jamie, Skepta, Wiley.
Nice.
Jamie
Jamie
Skepta. Oh, there you go. 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Do a little king. That's a crown. for
Nice,
Skepta,
nice,
'cause
nice.
Was the music the same choice for you, or?
Do you know what? Near enough. Honestly, I think we yeah, that it just made sense to these people that I think we both know these men.
These men.
I am a man. Yes, I'm glad we got that right. Well
We
done.
got it right,
Yeah.
yeah. But you also listening to
I was
like,
just
the same, but also you listen to like some like ravey
yeah,
stuff.
that's right. I did.
As
I listened,
well.
yeah. Because my character comes from like a little bit of a raving background, which is partially the reason why he's in prison. So I would listen to a bit like Fred again, and Azalea Banks.
Oh, nice. Interesting.
Yeah, some deep stuff.
Yeah.
Does music play quite a lot, an integral part when you're developing these characters all the time?
Yeah.
Definitely.
We both would look across the room and like each have our headphones in, just kind of bopping out in our own little zones. I definitely feel like for me it was a big part of getting ready. I had like a little workout station next to my little trailer, and we were in the same trailer like next door. And I feel like I'll be blasting one thing, you'd be blasting another, and I'd be like, you'd be sat there just like drinking black coffee and smoking a cigarette, and like, or inside your head, and I'd be there like,
Yeah, it worked
very
out
different, but fit together nicely.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what film it was that inspired David to become an actor?
Oh mate, I just don't know. I mean, there's probably. Do you have one? Would you have one film?
well. No, not one. Not one. But, you know, there's a few.
Many.
Many.
Trying to think what would have been.
We have a lot of shared
We do have
That's
a
it.
lot. Yeah.
shared inspirations.
One film is hard,
It's
man.
so
I can't
hard.
even when I do those
To be fair,
letterboxd.
you are right. It's not. That's not fair. Come
It's
on, be nice.
such a- yeah,
Be
this
nice
isn't
to my.
fair.
Be nice to my mate. Come on.
Yeah, my bestie.
I bet.
That's the true bestie test.
Yeah.
Like, we're not doing this anymore.
Shook it.
Yeah, rebel. One film is so hard. I'm just gonna guess. 3, 2, 1. Malcolm X.
Oh my God! Did you?
Yeah, mate. Completely knew that one. I knew that one. I mean, I didn't see that until later in my life. I only saw it like probably like 9 years ago, 8 or 9 years ago.
So wonderful.
Did you see it early on?
I saw it early on. My dad showed me Malcolm
No
X,
way.
and it was so wonderful. It's just timeless, man.
Oh my God, days
It's
off.
a timeless performance. It's
Yeah.
a timeless piece. So important.
Spike Lee.
Spike
directed
Lee.
that, right? Yeah.
I mean, 3 hours I'd happily watch over and over.
Have you met Spike Lee? Oh mate, I feel like you love him.
Have you?
Not met him, but I was sat 2 people down from him at a Knicks game a couple of years ago. And he's at every single New York Knicks
he's
game.
proper Knicks
And
fan,
it's like
isn't he?
he's like literally on the sidelines. I don't know if you call them sidelines in basketball, but at the side of the court, just like up on his feet when everyone else is sitting, and he's like shouting
No.
instructions at the players like a manager. Like, he's literally like a manager.
He's so
Brilliant.
gangster, I swear.
Right.
I love
this
him.
is
Anyway,
last
sorry.
question. That's
Sorry,
okay. No,
sorry.
it's nice to see besties really be besties.
Yeah, exactly.
Can you answer me the same question, but for Tom? What film was it that made you?
See, I don't even know what single film.
Oh no! I want to change it now. Do you know what? Okay, right. I'm gonna write 2.
3, 2, 1.
Donnie Darko.
Oh damn!
Which is weird. What did you
I
put?
was gonna write Donnie
Inside
Darko.
Llewyn Davis. Well, to be fair, that film is the reason I went to the drama school that I went to and moved to New York. So like, that was massively inspirational. That was actually bang on.
Thank
to
you,
be fair.
mate. We bonded on this one. I think
Yeah.
this is a really, really great film, and Tom absolutely just adores it.
Yeah, it's one of my favourites.
So Donnie Darko, that is
Donnie
OG,
Darko, for whatever reason, is like the film I saw when I was like 12, 13
Yeah.
with my dad. And I remember just seeing Jake Gyllenhaal's performance and going, wow, like,
Yeah.
that someone had to do that. And it was the first film I remember being like psychologically analytical about, I think. That's
yeah.
why.
Yeah, no, I heard that. It's a great film.